We are going to update the embedded firmware on a neoGuard device using the NRF Connect application. I am going to be updating this device from version 3.9.2 to version 3.10.0. And our first step, which I've done already, is to copy that new firmware file from Neopenda onto this tablet, into the downloads folder of this tablet's internal storage. And now to load it onto the device, we're going to open the NRF Connect application. It automatically scans for my neoGuard device, which is shown up here. I will tap Connect to establish a Bluetooth connection with the device. It opens to this page here. First, I'm going to just check the current version of the firmware on the device. So I'll do that by tapping the device information. It expands to show a couple of pieces of information here. The one we're interested in is the firmware revision string. I will tap the little downward arrow next to it to read that, and it tells me that my current value is v3.9.2. So that is what we're going to update. And to do that, we're going to use the DFU feature in the upper right corner of the app next to the word disconnect. There's a little circle that says DFU in it. We're going to tap that to initiate the DFU process. The file type will be distribution packet zip, so we'll select OK. Then we're going to open the file that is saved onto the tablet that we want to put onto the device. So for me, this is the v310a/d. That's the new one that I just copied onto my tablet here. So I'll just tap that, and then it will load that file, and it will initiate the update process. And we will just watch the bootloader screen as this happens. So now my bootload is in process. I'm going to navigate back to the other tab so I can actually watch the progress here on the graph. Okay, so the DFU is complete and it gave me a notification that the application was sent successfully. I'm going to double check that by reading the device firmware firmware revision string again. So I open the device information one. If we disconnect after doing the update, that's fine. You can always reconnect and check it later. I'm going to do it right away. So I'll tap the downward arrow next to firmware revision string, and there we go. My new firmware on the device is v310.0-d. So I have updated this device successfully. And that's all. Now I can disconnect, close this app, and start using the Neo Monitor app or whatever other app I want to use with this device now.